Hey everybody, good morning. It is a cold Saturday morning. I think we woke up this morning, it was 13 degrees outside and with a real feel of 8 or 9, I think. And so we hung out inside the house for a while and let it warm up because it's a little too cold to be out that early with those temperatures unless you absolutely have to. Today, I'm going to get the mill fired up and cut some of these logs. Hope to get through all 4 of them that I have. I've got 2 12-footers, 2 10-footers. We talked a little bit about in our last video about what those were going to be used for, which is Donna's greenhouse that she's super excited about.
My greenhouse, my greenhouse. Ooh, 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 ooh.
So we're going to get started on cutting those up today and see how things go with that, and maybe get to a few other things. I'm going to go ahead and fire up all the equipment, let it all warm up, and get to cutting and bring you guys along. Let's go have some fun. All right, so I got the log all set up. What you saw me doing a moment ago was leveling the log on the mill so that the center of the log, what they call the pith, is the same height on both ends. That way, as I cut, I don't end up with that pith like this, the way that log was sitting, and it running through the different boards. We want to try to get that in one board so that the center of that log is in one board. There's other people that can explain that much better than I can since I'm still learning all of this. But what I'm trying to do is get 4 2x4x12s, 1 2x6x12, and then 6 1x4x12s. So 12-foot long log. I don't know that I'm going to get all of that out of this one log. That's why I cut 2 of them 12-foot. If I do, then the other 12-footer I'll just work on. I need some 10-foot material, and I'll just cut the material out of that 12-foot log and then just cut it down to size. So let's see what we can get out of this log, and then we'll get another one on the mill. Fabulous day to be outside running the mill. Okay, so the first log we've gotten, I cut it into a cant, which is the square, you cut all the bark off of it. Of course, you got some what they call wane still on there, because I didn't want to cut off that much more and lose, this center section of the board. Then I cut everything into 2-inch thicknesses. So, of course, this is 12 inches wide this way, so I'm gonna turn it up and cut some more, and now we're gonna cut our, we got 2 inches here, so then I can actually get 3 2x4s out of one piece. It looks like 4 2x4x12s, which I'll be able to get out of. I'm actually going to take 2 of those. I'll get 6 2x4x12s. 1 2x6x12. I haven't decided yet. I may cut the 6-inch out of the middle of this and then let that edge stuff be scrap. Or I could take one of these 12-inch pieces, 12-inch wide pieces, cut it in half, and I'd have 2 2x6s by 12 foot long. And then I need 6 1x4x12s, which I've got some pieces laying over here off to the side that I had cut, and I think I can get the 1x4s out of some of that. So I'm going to get back to doing a little sawing, and I might get all of my 12-foot stuff out of this one log, which then leaves another 12-foot log. Probably just cut 2x4s out of it because I need a whole bunch of those. Let's get back to sawing. Look at that grain. Look at how pretty that is. Alright everybody, the other camera died. The cold I think got to it and it shut off, so I'm not sure, until I go back and review, I'm not sure where it cut off, but I have cut 2 logs, a 12-footer and a 10-footer, and you can see the pile of lumber behind me here. I have gotten 10 2x4x12s, 8 2x4x10s, 6, 8, 10 1x4s. It looks like 6 of those are 12-footers and 4 of those are 10-footers, and then a few miscellaneous, 1x2s and 1x1s and different things that got randomly cut. So I still have another 12-footer and another 10-foot log to go. At this point, though, I think I'm going to go inside, grab something to eat, and then finish this up after I eat. So I'm going to leave you here, and we'll see you on the next video. And I don't know if that'll be the actual build of the greenhouse, or if there'll be something else going on between now and then. But check back, and we'll get this greenhouse built soon. All right, see you next time.